Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a design using these gorgeous Gnarly Nails pigments. It's their Angelic set. They're also known as the Colour Shack as well. So there are 3 powders in this set. Let me just layer them out. You've got diamond pink, golden coral and diamonds and pearls. So these are my base colours. So I thought I would go for a sort of blingy baby boomer kind of look. And these pigments are so easy to work with. They go on like a dream and they blend really well. So I've started off with the darker pink. And I love the little sparkle in it as well. And then I'm moving on to the golden coral. I mean, look at that sparkle in the powder. That's what I love about these powders. It isn't just like a plain powder. There's always some sort of shimmer or sparkle to it. But look how well they have blended together. It's like seamless. And then I'm finishing off with the diamond and pearl. And in case you're wondering, these are sticking to the tacky layer that's provided with a gel polish. You can use this with a normal polish. If you apply a polish like normal and put on like a transfer foil glue, that when it dries like mimics a gel tacky layer, and you can apply the powders that way. So I'm just going to top coat this now and, obviously protect the powders before I move on. So this is how it all looks. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's almost like a little sunset, other than obviously it's white at the bottom. But yeah, love how well they have blended together. And then I have been dying to use these that I purchased from the Unicorn's Den. So it's like a mix of absolutely stunning rhinestones. So I'm just going to put them into my little triangle so they're easier to pick up and work with. If you want these little triangles, they're so cheap. I got them off eBay. I can leave links. But look how sparkly those rhinestones are. I'm getting into using them more. I never used to bother, but I'm really sort of loving experimenting with them. So I'm just putting some normal top coat on now and just placing them. I didn't really have a end look in mind when I started playing with the rhinestones. I just sort of ad-libbed with it. I know I need to kind of work on my my rhinestone placements. Like some people do it amazingly. So you can see I kind of like change stuff around and I'm not sure. But I love this mix of rhinestones because you've got the big ones, then you've got medium, and then you've got small ones as well. So you can really fill in the space. So obviously you can just do whatever design that you want. Obviously if the polish dries, then you just add a little bit more and keep going until you're happy with the look. But yeah, just experiment with it really. But it really just add that really sort of like luxurious touch to a nail mani. I mean, the pigments are gorgeous on their own, but I love the bling with this one. And you can never capture how gorgeous it looks on camera than it does in real life. So I did the others off camera, so you can see it's kind of like going down at an angle. And then I'm going to show you how I did the Blinky. Like I said, this is inspired of Fifi Cross Nails. Hers is just gorgeous. So yeah, that's where the inspiration credit has come from. So this is Chameleon Glitter's Twinkle. I absolutely love this glitter. It goes on like a dream. Like my lights are obviously bringing out all the hollow, so you probably can't see it as good as it looks basically. I'm just changing up my brush because that brush was no good at all for glitter placement, whereas these glitter arty like mermaid tail brushes are, because they really hold the glitter. So there you go, just wipe off any excess and just look at that twinkling and hollowing away. So moving on, before obviously I'm going to seal that in with my top coat and cure it underneath my lamp. And there's lots and lots of bling going on here. So you might not be able to see fully what I'm doing, but I am going to show you how I created this. These ones are also from the Unicorn's Den. I had to get them as soon as I saw them, because obviously it's kind of the same look that Fifi Cross goes for. She kind of has this in the middle. So I have got larger and smaller ones, but I've used the bigger one here. kind of positioning it where I want it. I know it's a bit difficult to see because obviously you've got lots of sparkle going on and hollow. But basically I just like pick the different glitters out and place it all around until I am happy. So I'm going to kind of show you the whole process. I'm going to pop some music on for this. Really, it's self-explanatory. I'm just placing the rhinestones. And this is the end look. I'm so in love. What just a gorgeous addition to your nails. So I did swatch these like so you could see them all like as is, just in case you're wondering how they were looking. But aren't they just gorgeous colours, and they are like perfect for each other. So I'll just quickly show you the polishes I used for a base. So for the diamond pink, which is this one, I use my Kiki London gel polishes, and this one is Gotcha. This is from their summer collection. If you've not seen it, I have reviewed it, so I'll leave videos to that also. So this is another Kiki London one. This isn't from their summer collection. This is called Rosebud. You can see it's a bit more of a corally pink, which was perfect for the golden coral. And then for the white one, I used I May Lee, and it's number 11. And this is the end look. I absolutely love it, Jelly Babes. It seriously looks so stunning. I hope that's coming across on camera. I'm going to be going to a wedding soon, and I think I am actually going to stick these to my nails. I never do it, but I think I'm going to do the set again and wear these to a wedding because I just didn't want to take these pop sticks off. They looked gorgeous. So thank you, Gnarly Nails, for sending me these products. I really have enjoyed playing with them. I hope you enjoyed this design, Jelly Babes. I certainly enjoyed playing around with it. And yeah, I really am in love with this one. So I got some outdoor shots as well just before I go. So you can see the twinkle, but even that isn't really coming up on camera how just gorgeous it is. It's just beautiful. And then this is it in the shade. So you can see how it would look in the shade also. So tell me what you think. Is this something that you would recreate and put on your own nails? I would love to see it. If you do, you can tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. And I'd love to see them. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.